Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the radio unit on a 2008 Pontiac G5. This video applies to G5s made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Before you start doing anything, make sure to disconnect the battery, mainly because you will be disconnecting the airbag sensor, which is right here, so just to be on the safe side. Battery in a G5 is located in the trunk, just under this cover, and it's right here, so like I said, make sure to disconnect it. Okay, so to gain access to the screws which are holding the radio in place, you will need to remove a couple of plastic trim pieces. So this one here will have to be removed, this one here will have to just pop out, and then this one surrounding the radio will have to be removed as well, and then you will be able to see the screws. Okay, so to pop out these pieces, you'll want to use a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can use something like me. Just put a piece of tape over it or a flat screwdriver, whichever is the easiest for you. Okay, to remove this one, just lower the glove box. And starting from this side, just pop it out and work your way towards the radio. There's a couple of clips holding it behind. Okay, so there's a total of 4 clips holding it. So now you can see here why we had to remove that piece, because it was on top of this small piece and we wouldn't be able to pull this piece surrounding the radio out. Same thing is for the other side. Okay, now on the other side, first you'll have to pop out this piece below the steering wheel. Now you don't have to use any kind of tools, just grab it with your hand below it and pull it straight out. Okay, you can see there is also a couple of clips holding it. You don't have to remove it all the way, just to gain access again to this guy. Okay, and this guy, it's probably the easiest, just to pop it from below. Okay, as you can see, also 2 clips holding it. Now you can proceed to pop out this plastic piece, same way like the others. Okay, so this piece, I believe there is a clip just under here. Okay, the bottom part popped out now. Okay, you can see one clip on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, and this is why I told you to disconnect the battery. So before disconnecting this airbag sensor light, yeah, make sure your battery is disconnected. If not, what might happen, you might get airbag light on when you start the vehicle, and then you'll have to probably take it to a dealer for them to reset it if you don't have like a expensive scanner to access the airbag module. Okay, so to disconnect this one, I'll try to zoom it in. There's like a clip on top of it. Just click on it and pull it out. Very easy to do. Then you can remove this piece, so it's not in your way. Okay, now we have 4 7mm screws which are holding the radio in place. So 2 of them are here and the other 2 on the other side. So remove those. These are the screws. They are quite long. And once you have them out, you can just pull the radio unit out. It's gonna be completely loose. On the back side of the radio, you have a couple of connections here, and this is the radio antenna. To remove the antenna, you just have to pull it straight out. And to unplug this, you have these clips on top. So just push the clip down and pull the connector straight out. Yeah, that's it. What I will also mention, if you're planning to replace this radio with another factory radio, for example from a used salvage Pontiac G5, Make sure to get the radio code, because these radios are connected to the serial number of the vehicle, the VIN number. And if you just plug in the new radio right here, it's gonna ask you for that code. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you don't have the code, then you will have to call the dealer, give the VIN number of the donor vehicle, the serial number of the radio, and then they will charge you like 50 or $100 just to give you a four digit code. So make sure to get the code. If you're replacing this radio with aftermarket radio, then you will need the wiring kit, which will connect into these existing wires, and then it's gonna plug in onto the other side into your new radio. And you will also need the aftermarket radio kit made for Pontiac G5, so that your new radio can nicely fit inside and everything looks like it should look. Okay, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.